Priyam is trying to solve this puzzle. Let's see, can he put the blocks in the right place? Can he put the triangle where the triangle is? Trying to figure out. And square, where does the square go? Whoa! Nice work, Priyam. Can you turn it around and put it? Try again. Apply some more brains. Try it, try it. No, he can do it. Yay! Well done, Priyam. You can do it. Come on, my boy. Well done. Let's put the last piece in and yay! Yippee!